Hello, welcome to the channel. This is Clio 2017 model. Have a look the what happened to the wiper, because customer complaining wiper stuck in the middle. Step by step it's moving here and there. We'll see what's going on there. I'm going to start the car. Before you dig into the problem, make sure the whole dashboard clear. Have a look in the dashboard. You can see the this side tire pressure light on and the door open. Yeah, a part of that, no any warning light at the dashboard. Right, we'll see what happened to the wiper. I'm going to operate the wiper. Very slowly coming up and stop. Yeah, that's it. Then again bit operating, nothing happened. It came middle and it stopped there. Right, first of all we need to open the this section, remove the wiper blades, and need to have a look what's going on inside. It could be the wiper motor, or it could be wiper linkage, or could be something else. We'll see what's going on. You're going to remove the wiper arm, careful the glass, make sure put the hand underneath, hold here and press downward like this. When you press downward, you can see it's start to move, and after that give the pressure, it will come out. Okay, same thing to other side. Right, after that there is a two clips, and remove this beading. We can remove the this cover. Okay, basically you can see someone already remove here, no clip. Yeah, otherwise it's need a 4 clips, 2 for the this side and another 2 for this side. Then as a theory, while we remove the this beading, we can remove this cover, lift up and pull. Yeah, now we can see our lovely jubbly motor here and pump here to they are all the way down. Right, I can see without check anything. I'll bring my light. You can see this side too much water. Can you see this side too much water? I feel in some reason this wiper motor damage, but before the wiper motor I need to check how is the this linkage work. I'm going to do the small experiment. Need to do disconnect from here like this. Right, it's disconnect now. Then I can operate by hand and have a look how is the linkage. Yeah, I can't push in and out. Basically it's super solid, the linkage. This linkage super solid. Basically this link won't turn. And the same time now I'm going to operate with the inside the stick and have a look that wiper motor spinning or not. Have a look now. Second speed, yeah, again now 0. First speed, yeah, second speed, yeah, third speed, Yeah, basically I feeling at the moment this wiper motor work as should be, but however I didn't feel this wiper arm not work as should be. It's very solid. That's why the motor try to push rotating, but arm not giving enough freely movement. That's why the problem. That's why it's come halfway middle and stop the wipers because this both turning point sees. Okay, right. I'll done the diagnostic. Now you know what's going on. First of all, I'll contact the customer and I'll come back to you. Okay, so I got the approval from customer. Basically, he need to change the linkage and the wiper motor because motor also I can see the water damage. Right. Next step, need to remove two screws here. One here and one there. Right. After that, as a theory, we can take out the wiper motor, but we couldn't take out fully because the wire harness there. We need to disconnect from the wire harness before we take out. Right. Tip upside down and remove the connector. Right. After that, we need to disconnect the wiper linkage. This one also holding two screws. We need to remove the this underline cover, otherwise we can't take out the complete arm. One here, one there, another one here, and one more here. One underneath here, another one here. I'll show you something. You can see like this thing. Yeah, what happened like this thing going into the vent water outlet and it will block. When you park the car, don't park under the trees. When you park under the trees like this happen, gradually it's take a time, months and months and months. After that, both outlet will block and it will fill up with the water, rainwater. Then after that, it will damage your motor and it will damage your wiper linkage. Because of that, make sure don't park under the trees. If you park under the trees, make sure clean around this area. Then you don't have a like this problem anymore. Right. Now, as a theory, we can remove. Okay. I'm going to take out this vent. Okay. Right. Okay. What happened? You can see this flap cover and all junk thing build up here. Then after that, anymore, it won't drain. Most time, what I'm doing, I'm remove this flap because it's creating the problem. Because of that, I don't want this flap here. I'll break it and chuck it out. Additional part creating more problem. Then after that, need to clean this vent. See, yeah. Then I'll reinstall. It won't make it any problem anymore. Yes, this part exactly correct. And have a look this one. See, we can move freely. This one we can't. Right. Got the motor. It's not correct one. We need to order another one. Until we get the motor, I'm going to install arm. Need to install this rubber mount first to the body. Right. Right. Okay, got the motor. Right. Slightly difference, but it's okay. Basically, you can see this one original we can't remove from here, but this one it's come with the another unit. Yeah, first of all I'm going to remove these two screws. Right. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 pins. 5 pins, yeah, all good. And it's come with the new screws, but it's a Phillips screw. Yeah, it's Phillips, so I like to go with Torx. Couple of thread by hand, then gun. Right, that one done. This is very tricky process. I'm going to line up as much I can, because sometimes if you not lined up this one properly, it will go out of alignment. Wiper will not work correct way, but I'm take it as closer to this one. Right, this is number 12. I'm going to do tiny pinch. That's it. Just tiny pinch. Connect the connector. After that, we need to clip in this one. Just clip in, just press in. Right, took, it's in. Right, this cover. Right, when you're going to do the inside nut, bit piddly, what I'm going to do, find something, tiny cardboard piece, put here, and after that it won't loose. This rubber thingy, install this cover. Remove the cap. Right, nice and in. I might be remove this cover. I leave it like that, because if it wipers not lined up, I had to remove the this cover again. I put the tiny mark and we'll see how it's going on. Yeah. Right, I'm going to start the car and operate the wipers and have a look what's going on there. Yeah, it's coming to the correct place, but I'm not sure is it proper place or not. Switch off the wiper. It's off now. Long arm to the right side. I'm going with the all mark. You can see here, all mark here under the wiper. I'm going with the all mark and just install one wiper. I'm not going to the other wiper at the moment. Right, again I'm start the car and have a look how is the wiper working. Luckily it's raining now, no need of water. Yes, it came to the correct place. Yeah, okay, install next one, take the line correct way. Right, we'll try now. You can see it's touching here. See, little bit over the this side, so we need to bring down little bit that one. Yes, we'll see how is behavior now. Yeah, it's not anymore come to the this here. So what I have to say, don't park under the tree. Now you know how to do, how to diagnostic and how to repair. So I did, then you can do also well. Follow this basic step, you ending with like this success job. Comment section open for you. If you have any question, comments, any suggestion, please come back to you. I'm happy to help you. Thanks for watching. See you with the next video.